to go from this to this. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily season a cast iron skillet. Hi, my name is JuliAnn, and I'm so glad that you're here. Our channel is dedicated to building cast iron strong families by making delicious recipes in the kitchen with your kids. Now, we have new videos every week, so make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell for notifications so that you don't miss a video. First, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Now, scrub the skillet with dish soap and a stiff brush. So the next thing we want to do is dry it thoroughly, inside and outside. Lightly oil inside and outside of the entire skillet. Before we put it in the oven, we want to wipe off any excess oil. So it's just a little thin layer of oil. And then we're gonna do the outside of it too. Now, why are we doing the inside and outside? This is your baby and we care for it as a whole. Put the skillet in the oven upside down on a piece of foil for any drippage. Now let me tell you, this can cause some odor in your house based on what it is that you previously cooked on your cast iron skillet. So turn on the exhaust fans, open up all the windows, and I'm actually gonna share another tip with you in our life hack of the week at the end of the video about keeping your house smelling beautiful. After baking, remove it, cool it, wipe it off again with a very small amount of oil. You're gonna be ready to go and cook whatever you want in your cast iron skillet. Now these are my babies. Now I know that it may seem a little daunting, all the seasoning and everything, but it's so worth it because these are a legacy. You're gonna pass them down to your kids. And I've got a link right below that's gonna show you exactly where to get my favorite Lodge cast iron skillet. For more how-to cast iron videos, just click right here. But let's get into the life hack of the week. If you don't want your house to be smelly, all you need to do is season your cast iron skillet on your barbecue grill. It's as simple as that.